Imagine your dad growing fresh basil right on his kitchen counter. No soil, no mess, just pure, fragrant green. That feeling of snipping something you've grown yourself? It's a connection to nature, even indoors. Today we're diving into 3 unique garden gifts that will make this Father's Day unforgettable. These aren't your average presents. They're practical, easy to use, and loved by families everywhere. Check the links below for everything we mention, plus a free PDF guide and a special giveaway. Let's jump in. First up, let's talk about the AeroGarden Harvest, a sleek, modern way to bring the garden inside, no matter where you live or how much space you have. This compact device is designed to fit right on your kitchen counter, making it perfect for apartments, condos, or any home that could use a little more green. This countertop hydroponic system uses only water and nutrients, not soil, so there's no mess, no muddy hands, and no worries about bugs or dirt. It's a clean, efficient way to grow plants indoors, and it's surprisingly fun to watch the roots develop in the clear water reservoir. The AeroGarden's full-spectrum LED lights mimic natural sunlight, helping herbs and veggies grow up to 5 times faster than they would in traditional soil. You'll see sprouts in just a few days, and in a couple of weeks, your kitchen will be bursting with fresh greens. Even if you've never grown a plant before, you can easily grow lush basil, mint, or parsley in just weeks. The AeroGarden takes the guesswork out of gardening, making it accessible for everyone, from total beginners to seasoned plant lovers. One reviewer said, "I've killed every plant before, but with this, I finally grew fresh herbs." It's a confidence booster for anyone who's struggled with houseplants in the past. It's empowering, foolproof, and a daily reminder of your thoughtful gift. Every time your dad checks on his plants, he'll think of you and feel a sense of accomplishment as he watches them thrive. The AeroGarden isn't just functional, it's a centerpiece, casting a warm, inviting glow in the kitchen and sparking conversation with guests. It adds a touch of modern style and a pop of green to any space. Imagine your dad snipping fresh basil for his pasta, tossing homegrown herbs into a salad, or plucking mint for his evening tea, all right from the kitchen. It's the ultimate convenience for anyone who loves to cook or experiment with flavors. Setup is incredibly simple. Just drop in the seed pods, add water and nutrients, and let the AeroGarden handle the rest. There's no complicated assembly or special skills required, so your dad can get growing right away. Automatic timers and reminders make it nearly effortless. The AeroGarden will let you know when it's time to add water or nutrients, so there's no guesswork and no risk of forgetting. It's perfect for dads who love to cook, appreciate smart design, or don't have outdoor space for a traditional garden. Even in the smallest kitchen, the AeroGarden fits right in. The herbs are incredibly flavorful, so much better than store-bought. You'll notice the difference in every dish, from the aroma to the taste. Plus, tending to the plants is calming and boosts mood. It's a small daily ritual that brings a sense of peace and satisfaction, especially during busy or stressful days. It's a gift that combines technology and nature, making gardening accessible year-round. No matter the season, your dad can enjoy fresh herbs and greens, even in the dead of winter. For Father's Day, it's a standout choice, thoughtful, practical, and full of potential. It's a gift that keeps on giving, harvest after harvest. Each harvest is a reminder of your love and care, and every meal becomes a little more special with homegrown ingredients. We found the AeroGarden Harvest at a great price. Check the link below for details and see if there are any special offers or bundles available. At just $54.35, it's an amazing value for a gift that keeps on giving. Compared to the cost of buying fresh herbs every week, it pays for itself in no time. Surprise your dad with a garden he can enjoy every day, no matter the weather outside. Rain or shine, snow or sun, the AeroGarden brings a touch of spring indoors all year long. Find the AeroGarden link in the description and make this Father's Day extra green. It's quick and easy to order, and you'll be giving a gift that truly stands out. Don't wait. Order soon for on-time delivery. Make sure your dad gets his new garden in time to start growing right away. Give your dad a daily dose of freshness, flavor, and joy. Every meal becomes a celebration of homegrown goodness. It's more than a gadget. It's a new tradition, a way to connect, and a source of pride for the whole family. Ready for the next idea? Let's go! Next, let's head outside with a gift that's both classic and deeply personal: engraved garden tools. For anyone who loves to spend time in the soil, there's something truly special about having tools that are uniquely theirs. It's a thoughtful gesture that goes beyond the ordinary, making every gardening session feel a little more meaningful. Picture your dad opening a sturdy wooden box to find high-quality tools, each handle engraved with his name or a special message. The anticipation as he lifts the lid, the gleam of polished metal and smooth wood, and then the surprise of seeing his own name or a heartfelt phrase etched into the handles. It's a moment that instantly makes the gift feel personal and cherished. These aren't just tools, they're keepsakes, turning every gardening moment into a memory. Each time he digs, plants, or prunes, he's reminded of the thought and care that went into choosing this gift. It's a way to make even the simplest tasks feel significant, and to create new memories with every use. Every time he plants or prunes, he'll see that engraving, a daily reminder of your thoughtfulness. It's a small detail, but one that can brighten his day and make him feel appreciated, even during the busiest gardening seasons. It's about legacy, tools that could one day be passed down, carrying stories of seasons and harvests. Imagine these tools being used by future generations, each scratch and mark telling a story of family, growth, and time spent together outdoors. Durable stainless steel and solid wood mean these tools are built to last. They're not just beautiful, they're practical, designed to withstand years of digging, planting, and weeding. The quality materials ensure that this gift will be a reliable companion in the garden for a long time. The wooden box keeps everything organized and adds a touch of elegance. It's not just a storage solution, it's a display piece, something he'll be proud to show off to friends and family. Personalized gifts like this stand out. They show you went the extra mile. It's a way to say, I see you, I know what you love, and I wanted to make it even more special for you. Ordering is easy. Pick your set, add your engraving, and you've created a one-of-a-kind gift. Many online shops let you preview your message, so you can get it just right before you order. Perfect for experienced gardeners or those just starting out. Whether he's a seasoned pro with a flourishing backyard or a beginner planting his first seeds, these tools will inspire confidence and joy. A personalized tool set makes gardening feel official and special. It's a way to elevate a hobby into a cherished ritual and to make every moment in the garden feel a little more meaningful. It's a vote of confidence in his passion. When you give a gift like this, you're saying, I believe in what you love, and I want to support it. These tools become part of his ritual, a constant companion in the garden. Over time, they'll carry the marks of his hard work and dedication, becoming even more meaningful with every use. The moment he opens the box is pure surprise and delight. It's a memory you'll both treasure, a snapshot of genuine happiness and gratitude. It's a legacy piece, something grandkids might one day see him use. These tools can become a bridge between generations, connecting family members through shared experiences in the garden. More than just objects, they're artifacts of a life well lived. Each tool tells a story, and together they become a collection of memories, love, and growth. Consider how a simple engraving can turn a practical gift into something profound. It's a small touch that transforms a useful item into a treasured keepsake. We've linked a customizable set below. Just add your message. Take a moment to think about what you want to say, whether it's a name, a date, or a short phrase that means something special. It's a simple way to create a gift rich with meaning. Sometimes, the most memorable gifts are the ones that come from the heart and carry a personal touch. Don't underestimate the power of a gift made just for him. It's a gesture that says, you matter, and your passions are important. It's a celebration of who he is and what he loves. Every time he steps into the garden, he'll be reminded of your love and support. Put a little piece of your heart in his hands. Let your message be a source of encouragement and joy, season after season. Check the link for custom engraving options. You'll find plenty of ways to make this gift truly one of a kind. This is a gift he'll treasure for years. Every time he puts the tools away, he'll remember the moment he received them and the love behind the gesture. Let's move on to the final idea. Our last category is all about thoughtful extras, the small comforts and clever touches that make gardening even better. These are the little things that often go unnoticed, but they can transform a simple day in the garden into a truly enjoyable experience. Whether your dad is a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these extras show you care about his comfort, his curiosity, and his joy. Start with a high-quality kneeling pad. It's a simple addition, but it makes a world of difference for anyone who spends time tending to plants, pulling weeds, or planting seeds. It saves your dad's knees and makes hours in the garden much more comfortable. No more sore joints or stiff legs after a long day outside, just pure gardening enjoyment. Upgrade his watering routine with a lightweight, flexible hose and a great nozzle. No more wrestling with kinks or heavy, awkward hoses. A good hose makes watering feel effortless, and a quality nozzle lets him adjust the spray for every plant's needs. For the science-loving dad, a soil tester gives instant feedback on pH, moisture, and light, helping him grow healthier plants. It's a fun way to experiment and learn, turning gardening into a hands-on science project. Durable, reusable plant labels keep the garden organized and add a touch of order. No more guessing what's sprouting where. Each row and pot is clearly marked, making it easy to track progress and plan for the next season. A seed sprouter is perfect for dads who love starting plants from scratch. Watching seeds come to life is pure magic. It's a daily reminder of growth and patience, and it brings a sense of wonder to the gardening process. A fine mist sprayer is ideal for delicate seedlings or indoor plants, providing gentle hydration. It's especially useful for those tiny, fragile sprouts that need a soft touch, ensuring they thrive from the very beginning. Add a simple bird bath to invite nature in and create a peaceful backyard sanctuary. Watching birds visit brings a sense of calm and connection to the natural world, making the garden a haven for both people and wildlife. These extras are perfect on their own or as part of a custom gift basket. Mix and match to create a thoughtful set that's tailored to your dad's gardening style and interests. Combine gloves, a kneeling pad, plant labels, and seeds for a complete gardening experience. Each item adds a layer of comfort, organization, or inspiration, making every gardening session more enjoyable. It's about making every step, from planting to harvest, a little easier and more joyful. These extras help create memories, whether you're working side by side or sharing the results of a season's hard work. These gifts show you've noticed the little things and want him to be comfortable doing what he loves. It's a way to say, "I see you, and I appreciate your passion." A soil tester encourages curiosity and learning. It's a tool that sparks questions and discoveries, making gardening a lifelong adventure. A mister reflects the gentle, nurturing side of gardening. It's about caring for the smallest details and watching them flourish. A bird bath brings peace and wildlife to his space. It's a simple addition that transforms the garden into a living, breathing ecosystem. Each item tells a story of care, comfort, and thoughtfulness. These are gifts that keep on giving, season after season. Don't overlook the power of these extras. They're the unsung heroes of the garden. They make the work easier, the results better, and the experience richer. Build a personalized gift basket or give one as a heartfelt gesture. It's a way to wrap up your love and appreciation in a bundle of practical joy. It's a simple way to say, "I love you, and I want you to enjoy every moment in your garden." These thoughtful extras are more than just tools. They're a celebration of your dad's passion. Check the description for links to our favorite extras. We've handpicked each one to help you find the perfect finishing touch. Add one to your Father's Day gift and make it truly special. It's the little things that show the most love. These small touches can make a big impact. They turn ordinary gardening into something memorable and meaningful. Ready to wrap it all up? Here's how to bring it together. Let's finish strong and make this Father's Day one to remember. There you have it. 3 heartfelt Father's Day gift ideas for the gardener in your life. From high-tech indoor gardens to legacy tools and thoughtful extras, there's something for every dad. What does your dad love to grow? Herbs, veggies, or flowers? Share in the comments. Vote in our poll, AeroGarden or Classic Toolkit. Which would your dad love most? Don't forget to download your free PDF guide and check the links for all the products we mentioned. To enter our Father's Day giveaway, comment "Grow" below. Here's to growing memories with Dad. Happy gardening!